Hey crafty people, welcome to my next design team project for scrapbooking with me. I told you I was going to do a card series this week, so today I used the scraps from my Prima Lavender collection. And I had made, let's see, I don't remember how many cards I had made. I had made a bunch of cards with this collection. And then I made a journal with this collection and covered a box. And now these are my scraps. I do have a few scraps left, but I had the A4 pad and I think the 6x6, and I had the 3x5 cards. So let's get started. I will link everything in the description box down below for scrapbooking with me. What I want you to know is some of these may be out of stock because they're a little old in the grand scheme of things. They're maybe a month and a half old. But let me tell you, there are some beautiful Prima collections coming out soon. So go over to scrapbooking with me and check out all the goodies. This goodies and new goodies. So let me start with this one. You could see how pretty that paper is. I am definitely going to be ordering this collection again. I just can't get enough of it. Purple used to be my favorite color. Pink is now, but I'm thinking maybe purple's pretty close, So this is a Tiddly Inks image, and I just purchased her this past week and think she's adorable. So colored her up and just used all my scraps. Tons of layering, laces. There's lace back here. I had this little scrap of trim, a bow and a gorgeous bling. My Wild Orchid Craft flowers. This is, you know, I get all my little things that I kind of tuck in. I just get at my local craft store. I die cut her. I don't even remember what dye that is, but I love her. She's adorable. I used a kind of a little bit larger lace around the edge, and she pops up on pearls. And then I did more layering on the sentiment area, and I just love that shabby look to it. So the middle one also has a larger lace, and I put my little dancing Tilda. She's like a, I don't know what you'd call that, but I know it, but I can't think of the word. But she's a little dancing Tilda. So I used the sentiment from the 3x5s that says dance your dance, and I just cut it down so it would be smaller on the card. I added these metal corner pieces, and gosh, you could see the beautiful, beautiful paper. I just love it. Like I said, I will be getting more of this paper. I added this little resin rose in the middle of my my bow, and that pops up on that trim, and voila. Okay, finally we have this card, another super cute little Tiddly Inks image, only I die cut her on a circle. I added this pretty purple trim I had picked up a while back, and it was just sitting there waiting for the right thing. And I thought these flowers looked very much like the flowers that she was holding. And this collection lends itself to so many different varying shades of purple and lavender, and you know, that it just works. I added these metal corner pieces and my beautiful flower cluster, another resin flower there. And I love this sentiment. My love for you is a journey starting at forever and ending never. Oh, I just love it. So I did a crocheted lace border on this one. I have some crocheted lace here, and that pops up like that. You can kind of see the butterfly there. Very pretty, very pretty. Okay, so that's card number 3. So again, I hope what's happening here, ladies, I inspire you to A, shop at Scrapbooking with me, B, save your scraps. Look what you can do with your scraps. You could also make tags. You know, I did a video, a couple videos back with tags, and you can save your scraps for that if you don't have enough to make cards. But anyway, Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links, use my coupon code, and we'll see you in the next card video. Bye, guys.